Hi guys on YouTube, I'm doing competition, clean this washing machine. I want to clean it. Warm water, fairy washing up liquid. We don't use fairy, but because Morrison stopped using parcel, we had to get some fairy. Let's go. Now, there is a nasty surprise here. It's not surprised, but it's nasty. It's very mucky, but I ain't putting it on a maintenance. Ain't allowed. I think I've just ripped the rubber. It's okay. So what I'm gonna do, get you down. Okay, guys. Right. Get it. And squeeze up as much as I can. Look. I'm just gonna put the camera down quick. Just make sure it's all gone. Well, it's not all gone, but get it any better. So that'll do for a minute, I think. Just got that. Now I'll get a sponge. I'll get it something. I'm just going to start off with the rubber. Try and get that stain off. That's right for a minute, and then you've got to mark off here. There's a mark. There was a marker. It's just got off. A bit of TLC. Hinge. Door lock. Don't know I get water in the door lock, but okay. Just gotta go right around here because that won't get rinsed off. Alright, I'm just gonna get some more. Do in a minute for the glove. I'm going to spray a bit on that to make sense. Then door. I'll make some suds now on the door. Very pink petals. Just got all that in. Spit in there for a little water down there. Let's do the door. That's nice and clean at the minute. And I've got to do the door. So I'm doing it. Right. Because I'm not allowed to put it on their maintenance, because my dad isn't really letting me do it anymore. Put it on when my mum's out. So that's quite bad. See? Might not able to see, but there's some such last bit we're trying to do, but I'm using more water. Then I've got to do all the paddles and that Electrolux side. Now paddles. Paddles nicely done. That paddles nicely done. Paddle's nicely done. That paddle is done. Now I've got the idea. need a bit more water actually, just to do the last bit. I think that's not nicely done, and just finish off the rubber again. Let's put the rest of the top down. Then that's that done. Yeah. And so sudsy. I'm just worried about this bit, so I'm just going to knock that off. I'm going to stop. Select my program. Soften the rinse. You want the control panel in a sec. Select that. Select half load. It's medium level. Look. Water level is just starting to come up. Very fast. That would be lovely at the minute. I've got half load selected, so it's going to be okay. Should stop now. I've got half load. There we go. So it coming up. It's that level. Lovely. Okay, I'm going to stop it now until I'm going to clean up this. Bye guys.